So we're going to here display this execute a macro, click on edit text, okay, like this, recording. See what happened. I need to get this. I'm going to my follow before, and I remember when I move my bar, if you remember, we move this bar, okay, and this one also according to where I am. And so I'm going to look for this. I'm going to this one, okay. I'm going to do this here, where this one. I'm gonna select this, okay, then selection shape one of this is this one, and then I'm going to include into square brackets, okay, like this, underscore. I'm gonna close the square brackets, and here I'm going to input this value here, Vx, and Vx is x values, and so I'm going to display here Vx position I. Okay, so if I'm going back to this, I'm going to, you see that I display now, okay, this one. If I type here 25, you see that this is the date. Okay, I can also do the following. I can also record a new macro and do it like this, home bold red, okay, and then I'm going to stop my recording. I'm going to here, what is the, this is the length of for 10 characters. I'm going to make it like this. Okay, so I'm going, okay, now I'm going to move 31. Now you see that this is red, okay, so this home automatic, it's not bold. Okay, I'm going to give, so here you see now that we have this moving, and this is changed to this color. Okay, you can also put it bold. Okay, this is font fill, cancel this fill. If you know how the hierarchy goes, you understand what I'm talking about. So dot fill, dot visible, etc. Then bold refers to font and not to fill. So I'm going now change this again. Okay, and now I have it here, true. You see now that it's bold. I can also increase this one because it's very small, but I can also increase it here automatically. Okay, 25. You see now it's changing a lot. Okay, you see it's very interesting. You can change this. Okay, the text in a shape. Here we are going to just complete this part. Okay, that's good. I'm going to protect. Okay, I cannot do anything here. Okay, I can only change this, I think. And then I'm going to protect the worksheet at the end of my work. Okay, so I need to type this in format, this in this format. You see, you use the function format, you pass the parameter, which is the value, and then how you want to display this in this format. I'm gonna save this. Now you're going to see, okay, I'm gonna change Italy. You see now how I have it. Okay, very interesting. Okay, I'm gonna change this. See, I think I need to do this again. I need to unprotect this and protect at the end. Okay, it's gonna change, probably it's gonna change here as well. No, it's and then again protect here now. Okay, here we are. Okay, now you had an overview of this, and then you are done. You can start doing your own dashboards.